Hey everybody, quick update again. The storm is now entering Mecklenburg County. It's kind of an interesting storm. I talked about this outflow boundary kind of outracing the storm, and now that the outflow boundaries move past the radar, you see it in red because red means winds blowing away from the radar. Green means winds blowing towards the radar. So if the radar is right there, all those bright greens are blowing towards the radar, but when the gust front moves through, you start to see these reds, and you can see let me put where that outflow boundary is. See how far ahead of the rain it is? This is all the rain here on the right. It's still moving south, but the gust front is about 10 to 15 minutes ahead of the main line. And when you look at the radar, there's this little line that's built out ahead of it, which extends from Hickory Grove, Plaza Midwood, down through the South Park area and over towards Pineville, and then heading over towards the Lake Wiley area. Looks like a little cell developing there. Remember, the left is our Doppler velocities. That's basically the whole point of having Doppler radar is not just to see the rain, but to see which way the raindrops are blowing. And on the radar, on the left, the Doppler effect, we can see essentially the velocity data from those raindrops. I'm going to loop this because the cool thing about the terminal Doppler radar we have is that we get 1-minute updates, and you can see a very high resolution loop here, and you can actually see the progression of this outflow boundary. Look on the right. You see that line? That's the leading edge. That might be dust or debris being kicked up, or a little bit of moisture. Excuse me. Frog in the throat, a little bit of moisture along the gust front, and on the left you can actually see that being picked up in the velocity data. So in South Charlotte, get ready. This is moving through Uptown right now. This is going to move into South Charlotte here in the next 20 to 30 minutes. There's also quite a bit active cloud-to-ground lightning, though it has relaxed a little bit. We had almost 900 lightning strikes at one point, but now it seems to be down to 800. Of course, I'll be on the air in 30 minutes at 11 on News Channel 36, and of course, I'll try to keep things up to date online as we go through the night.